Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to today's video. My name is Elizabeth and I am finally going to give you a house tour. I really wanted to do it when I have done some of the things, but yeah, I'll just give you what is here, a tour of what is available, what is in the house. I wanted to paint, but I can see I cannot do it now since I'm living on a budget and things are going tough. January, I'm trying to balance things between me, the house, and school. I have a grade 10 learner. Things have changed. Things are tough. So I need to get things in order before I can do a lot of things. I'm just going to give you what I have. Yeah, the house is a 2-bedroomed house. Let me not sound like it's a big house. It's a 3-room house. A 3-room with an open space of kitchen and lounge. I will include the sketch of the house, how it looks like. It's a house in progress. It's a house plan. The complete house I cannot show you, but I am building it in phases, and the remaining structure needs to be done simultaneously. So I'm gonna have to wait on that. But for now, what we have is 3 rooms. Yeah, let's get into the house tour. A house tour in a village where we do things slowly on a budget. And please don't judge me. The house is very small. I don't have storage, things like that. Please. This video is just for inspiration. Don't say you can't live in a small house, you're waiting for that big house, you're still saving. Or yeah, when you do things on your own and you don't have money, things will eventually go slower, and we live on that. So let's get to the video. So when you enter the house, this is the first thing that you see. It's those bedrooms that I was talking about. I started by doing 2 rooms. These are the doors, and the doors were brown, so I had to paint them white. These doors are made to be outside of the house, not bedroom doors. So this is the kitchen, this side. I am having a cupboard, and this cupboard I bought it in 2020 January on a lay-by. I paid it on 2 months. So this cupboard I paid it on 2 months. I just mentioned that I don't have space. The house is too small, so never mind those things that are on top of the cupboard. There's no way I am going to throw them away, or I don't have anywhere to put them. And this cupboard, I bought it from fair price. You know, when you start your house, you start with things that are less in price, and this was, at that time, it was 2,500 rand. So I bought it in 2 months. It was on a lay-by. Then over here, let me say, on the cupboard, I have this bin. The bin is from Sheet Street. These are the things that I can share with you. And then I have these 2 cutting boards are from Checkers, and this one was a gift from my friend. And I have these 3 canisters, which are from Sheet Street, and those utensils that side are from Pep, except the colored one. That one I bought it from Checkers with a pen. And the canister, the white one there, is from Pep Home, and the flower there is from Pep Home. And this is how the table, or the top, looks like. Over there I have a gas cylinder. It's a 19 kg. I exchange with, that is 19 kg. I exchange it between it and the 9 kg. That tin there I used to put water when we bath. And then I have this vegetable rack that I bought from Pep Home. I can't remember, it was 99 rand, I think. Yeah, I bought it long time before they stopped supplying it. Then I have this gas stove. This gas stove, guys, I didn't buy it. It was from my partner. He bought it the time they didn't have electricity, and it came in handy for now. And then those pots are from my friend. It was a birthday gift. Yeah, I am grateful for the stove. I just don't like the oven, but for frying meat or grilling meat, it's perfect. But baking, it's a no, cause it has the fire or on the bottom only. So I just said my house is an open space between for the kitchen and the lounge, and this is the inverter and the plugs I used to switch on the lights. And that side is, this is the battery where I charge it. When I charge it, I put it here. Then when I switch on the light, I bring it this side. Then on the floor, this is the mat. This mat is from my friend, the one who bought the pots. My friend bought this mat. I don't know for what, but she bought it for me. Yeah, and it's giving some statement together with the couch there. And then the couch there is from Game. I have this couch from Game. I bought it on account. I have a Game account. It was 4.5. And those two cushions are from Pep Home. Over there are curtains from Sheet Street, both of them, the laces and the ones outside. And then the house is not having a lot of things. I have a TV that I want to plug here, but wow, the sun gets inside here when the door is open, so there's no use, because I'm not even gonna use it. Then this side, I have that gas cylinder. For now it's empty. I'll fill it some other time. Then this table is from Pep Home. I got it from another friend. Guys, when you choose friends, be careful. Be careful. I also gift them. One day I'll document their gifts. So this table is from Pep Home. It was, I think, 350. They gave me the money to go and buy. And then the flowers and the vase are from Pep Home. Actually, everything, the accessories here are from Pep Home. The candle and the diffuser is from Pep Home. So this is how my living room is looking. Yeah, I really have a small space, and I'm grateful to have it. Not that I'm complaining. A woman, every person, everyone needs a big space, but whatever you have, make use of what you have. This is what I have. This space is 5.6 by 2.4. So moving right along, we are going to go into my daughter's bedroom. This is what you see first. You see a wardrobe, which I bought it from Pep. Like I'm saying again, never mind the things on top. It's a disaster with space here. This is the wardrobe that I bought for her, and I bought it from Fair Price. It was on a lay-by. I paid it in 2 months. And then that corner, that table is a study table. Those bathing tubs, we use them every day and we put them there. Then yes, this is the bed and the headboard. Headboard is from OK. Everything on the bed is from Pep Home, like everything except the pillowcases. I bought this quilt from Pep Home, and I went to match it with the pillowcases from Sheet Street, because they didn't have pillowcases. And those maroon cushions, actually those cushions are not cushions. I stuffed in things, and then I bought those things there, the covers, then to just complement the colors. And over here I have a mat which is from Pep Home. And then that bucket, I need to use it. This is a paint that I must paint outside. And the washing machine I'm no longer using because my battery is acting up. You know, I live in a place where there is no electricity, so this is where I do my dishes. I am doing the dishes here in my daughter's bedroom because you know that side we still having no space. We don't have a space for the table, so this is where I do the dishes. That table is the table via society. Yeah, those ones are air drying. My daughter just cleaned them now. So yeah, this is my daughter's bedroom. I have those two canvas there. I bought them long time ago from Pep Home. Like, this house is a Pep Home candidate. So yeah, these are the curtains. Those ones I cut them in between because they were tied together. And yeah, this is how it looks. 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 I really want a simple and not congested space, but only time will tell. So welcome to the master bedroom. This is a master bedroom where I sleep every day. Let's start here. This is a fridge we tried to fix. It doesn't want to be fixed, so it has to go. This is one of the things that I didn't want to include, and that is that TV there. The lighting is not good because of these black materials in the room. Nah. Yeah, let's start with the headboard. I recently bought it from OK. It was 3,000 rand. Everything that you see on the bed, it is from Pep Home. Everything. The quilt, the fleece, the cushion and cushion covers, the continental pillow and continental pillowcases. The mirror is from Game. I bought it while I was still at home, so I moved in with it. I couldn't leave it there because that side there are boys, then they measure things. So the flower and the vase from Pep Home. The small table, the side table, is from Game. It was 350. I only have that one alone. I can't buy the other one that side to compensate this one because I am budgeting on I want to budget on pedestals. Then when we jigger this side, we have a wardrobe. This wardrobe was on a lay-by from Fair Price, which, don't buy this thing. You can't even move it. You can't. So I bought this. It was 2,500 also, I think, because I think I paid 2.8 including transport. I like the mirrors. I like the drawers. It has got 6 drawers, 3 this side, 3 that side. It has got those long doors here. You hang your things, and this side you hang your things. It's basically his and hers type of a situation. Behind here I have this thing here, key laundry basket, and those 2 buckets. Those 2 buckets I stored some dog moss, some dog food. Yeah, and this is how my bedroom is looking like. Yeah, it's a process, guys. It is a process. Wherever you are, whatever you do, this is a process. I lived in here for 4 years now. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you have learned something, that I do go on a very low budget. Pep Home is very affordable, and I do lay by my things. If I can't lay by, I will save up until I reach the amount that the item is pricing on, and I will go and buy it. Like my bed, I bought it when last year. I can't remember when, but I bought it cash. It was 7,000. I bought it cash. I saved it up. I saved up for it because I don't want to be waiting on something while my bag is paining me. So yeah, I just bought the bed cash. Then other things are on a lay-by. Guys, even your friends, pick friends that are that they love you. Like that thing on top here, It's from my friend. I have, you see those cups, they have plates, they have saucers, they have bowls and side dish. They are from my friend. Guys, this house is basically a friend's house. I'm joking, but I'm grateful to have those friends, like really. I'm not boosting, I'm just inspiring you. I have things that I have because I am on a low budget. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you're going to start having your own place. Renting is beautiful. You have the house ready, you just get in with the furniture, but doing it on your own when you don't have money, yeah, it's kind of stressing, guys. It's kind of stressing, but a little bit by a little bit, bit by bit, we're gonna make it.